everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Know Your Rights Bharat, Empower Today, Transform Tomorrow. In this channel we will provide you the information regarding the Constitution of our country Bharat. In this video, we will know about the 12 schedules of the Constitution of Bharat. What does the 12th schedule mean? Schedules are tables that have additional information that is not mentioned in the articles. Our Constitution originally had 8 schedules. 4 more schedules were added after amendments, which made it a total tally of 12 schedules. Now we will start with the first schedule 1. First schedule. The first schedule of the Constitution of Bharat contains the list of the states' name and union territories and their boundary lines known as the first schedule. Articles 1 and 4, States and Union Territories, provides a detailed list of the names and territories of Bharat's states and union territories. It defines the political boundaries and administrative divisions of the country. The first schedule is a crucial part of the Constitution as it lays the foundation for Bharat's federal structure and governance. Second schedule. The second schedule of the Bharat Constitution lists the salaries and allowances of various constitutional authorities in Bharat. It provides a detailed breakdown of the emoluments, benefits, and privileges that apply to individuals holding important positions in the government, including the President, Vice President, Governors of states, Judges of the Supreme Court, and Judges of High Courts. The second schedule is an important part of the Constitution of Bharat because it ensures transparency and clarity regarding the compensation and privileges of these high-ranking officials. It helps prevent arbitrary changes to their emoluments and ensures that their salaries and allowances are determined by law rather than political considerations. This is in line with the principles of transparency and separation of powers, which are fundamental to Bharat's democratic system. Any changes to the provisions in the second schedule would require a constitutional amendment, which is a rigorous and well-defined process. Third schedule, Forms of Oath, Promises, or Affirmations. The third schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the forms of oaths and affirmations that various officials, including public servants, members of parliament, MPs, members of legislative assemblies, MLAs, and judges, are required to take when assuming their respective offices. These oaths and affirmations are significant because they signify a commitment to uphold the Constitution and perform their duties faithfully and impartially. Fourth schedule allocates the seats in the Council of States. The allocation of seats in the Council of States, also known as the Rajya Sabha in Bharat, is a process that is governed by the Bharat Constitution. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house of Bharat's parliament, and its members are not directly elected by the public, unlike the Lok Sabha, the lower house. Instead, Rajya Sabha members are chosen by the elected representatives of the state legislative assemblies. The allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha is designed to ensure that the states and union territories have representation at the national level, and it allows for the participation of individuals with expertise in various fields. This dual system of representation, with the Lok Sabha representing the people directly and the Rajya Sabha representing the states and territories, is a fundamental feature of Bharat's federal parliamentary system. Fifth schedule, provisions as to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. The fifth schedule of the Bharat Constitution deals with the administration and governance of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in various states of Bharat. It outlines special provisions for the protection and well-being of these indigenous communities and the management of their lands and resources. The fifth schedule is particularly relevant to the tribal areas in Bharat and is aimed at safeguarding the interests and rights of scheduled tribes. The fifth schedule reflects the Bharat government's commitment to protecting the interests and promoting the socio-economic development of scheduled tribes, who have historically faced marginalization and exploitation. It recognizes the unique cultural, social, and economic aspects of tribal communities and seeks to strike a balance between their autonomy and the overall development of the country. Sixth schedule, provisions as to the administration of tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. The sixth schedule of the Constitution of Bharat provides special provisions for the administration of tribal areas in the northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. It aims to protect the rights and promote the welfare of tribal communities living in these areas while preserving their distinct cultural and social identities. The sixth schedule grants a considerable degree of autonomy to these tribal regions and governs their administration in a manner different from the rest of Bharat. The sixth schedule is crucial in recognizing the unique needs and aspirations of tribal communities in the northeastern states. It allows for a form of self-governance that respects their cultural identity and promotes their overall development while remaining within the framework of the Constitution of Bharat. This special status granted to these regions is a reflection of Bharat's commitment to safeguarding the interests of its diverse tribal populations. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, please comment with your opinion, and give us your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.